Fishing Rainbow Dave Rollison, guys. If you watched my last video on this Whirlpool dishwasher, F8E4 error codes. You pull that thing out, empty the water, dry off your float switch, it'll eliminate the codes. Now, if that keeps happening, one of two things. You've got a leak, which if you had a leak, it would just be all over your floor. If all you do is keep having to clean that thing out like I have every day and a half, even if we don't use it, something else was going on. So I kept repeating the process, and once I did, the last time it threw the codes for no reason at all, just a day and a half later, it just started beeping. I didn't understand what was going on, so I went in here and I did what I did before and turned the codes off. But this time I said, there's gotta be water trapped in that dishwasher. Something's triggering this thing to just purge enough water in there that it starts throwing these codes. It doesn't want you to use it. Something's going on. So I went back to a week ago, prior to my first video. I installed it, everything was great. We had pressed start, blah, 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 canceled the cycle 2 minutes in. Sounded like it drained all the water and reset it. We washed dishes, it worked fine, but then it started throwing those error codes. So if you do all that and it turns your error codes off, great. If it doesn't and it keeps happening and you're not leaking water all over the place, there's water trapped in that system from canceling a cycle. So I came in here and I pressed cancel, then I pressed cancel again, and it went to a 2-minute cycle I knew nothing about. It's not in the instructions. And it drained this little bit of water that was trapped in the system. And now we've actually gone 5 or 6 days with no error codes coming on. So Whirlpool dishwasher, it's washing the dishes great. Error codes were definitely an issue. Other people ended up making videos the same way I did. It solved my problem, just like it seems to have solved their problem. I had something else going on. I think I eliminated it. If you keep persistently getting those error codes, press cancel more than once and give it a second each time to register, and you should probably get what I got, which was a 2-minute cycle that's going to get all that trapped water out of the line, reset it, and then you don't have any more moisture that can purge through that float switch into the dip tray. All right, guys, good luck. Thank you, Whirlpool. But this was a crazy one.